Okay, good morning students. In the last class we have seen about the differences between fertilizers and manure. In today's class let us know about the advantages of manure. So what are the advantages of manure and how they are useful in our fields? So the organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers. See, in the fertilizers there are chemicals, but when it comes to the manure we don't have chemicals. Therefore there are many advantages of manure. So some of them are: it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. So when we use the manure, the soil enhances the capacity of holding the water, and it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. Next, it increases the number of friendly microbes. So when we use the manure, the microbes increases in the soil, and it also improves the texture of the soil. So these are the four important points about the advantages of manure. Okay, our next topic is irrigation. So what do you mean by irrigation? So the supply of water to the crops, they regulate in regular intervals. We call them as irrigation. So let us see how they are useful. All living beings, they need water to live. Water is important for the proper growth and development. Okay, water is absorbed by the plant roots, and along with water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Plants contain nearly 90% of water. Therefore, what is very important for the plants? Water. It contains nearly 90% of water. Next, water is essential because germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions. Nutrients dissolved in the water, they are transported to each part of the plant. So whatever the nutrients which are dissolved in the water, they are transferred each and every part of the plant. So this water, it protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. So when the soil is very wet, it protects from the hot air currents. Okay, to maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growths, have to be watered regularly. So what is the actual definition of irrigation? The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called a irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation, it varies from the crop to crop. Okay, the time and frequency of water, it varies from the crop to crop. So our next topic is sources of irrigation. So what are the sources of irrigation and where the water come from the irrigation? The sources of water for irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. So these are the sources of irrigation. So next, traditional method of irrigation. The water available in the wells, lakes and canals is lifted by the different methods in different regions for taking to the field. So cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So these methods are cheaper but less efficient. The various traditional ways are, see, first one is mott. Mott means pulley system. Okay, see, this is the picture. With the help of the pot, they pour the water to the soil. And the second one, chain system. Here, with the help of a chain, the water supply takes place. Next, third one, Dakely system. See, this is the Dakely system. Next, Rahat level system. So, with the help of an ox, they do this system. See, here is the picture of that. Next, pumps are commonly used for the lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is used to run these pumps. How these pumps are run? They are with the help of a diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy. So our next topic is methods of irrigation. There are two main methods of irrigation. So first one is sprinkle system, second one is drip system. So first one is sprinkle system. In this system, the water allowed to flow through the main pipe with the help of a pump. See, with the help of a pump, the water is allowed to flow through main pump. It gets sprinkled on crops. So sprinkle is very useful for lawns, coffee plantations, etc. So in the areas of coffee plantation and etc. places, sprinkle system is used. How it is used? The water is allowed to flow through the main pipe with the help of pump. And the second one is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near to the roots. So it is called drip system. It is best for watering fruits, plants, gardens and trees. So drip system is suitable for the gardens, trees and watering for the fruits and plants, whereas the sprinkle system is useful for the lawns and coffee plantations. So this is the picture of a sprinkler system and this is a picture of a drip system.